Good morning, everyone. It's Surishma from Zebu and Zebu School for daily market morning update. Today, as expected, because of the Dow Jones fall, market has fallen as expected. It has opened down, went down, and then recovered a bit, and again going down. It is again a kind of volatile market, even a chaotic market. Yesterday, we all knew how the expiry has happened. The market has fallen a big way. Then there was a recovery and there was a volatile movements and then ended close to the lows of it. Today, the big psychological level of 18,000 is taken out in the morning. That's fallen. And this is this is the sign of a relatively minor bear market, at least in the shorter time frame for the at least for a week to come. International markets, the weakness that we see in the international market is expected to go further for at least couple of days, at least for a week at least. Now, yesterday, there's a big thing that has happened is that Tesla has fallen by about 8.88 percentage yesterday, and for the year, it has fallen by about 69 percentage. The big growth company stock like Tesla, which is also a tech company as well as an automobile company, has fallen because of various reasons, and this is reflecting on the Nasdaq as well as on the Dow Jones and on the Indian market also. Earlier, even when the stock market, the international markets were falling, Indian markets used to be in a stable level, but not so anymore. Yesterday, FIA sold, bought, DIS bought totally about 2,000 crores worth of equities were bought by FIS as well as DIA, yet the market has fallen because that shows that retail um, population or retail investors have started selling. There is some kind of capitulation, at least in the short-term level, from the retail side. They have sold and they are selling in the mid-cap and small-cap stocks. The mid-cap and small-cap stocks have fallen very badly yesterday, and it is expected to happen continue today as well. Not only the bank not only the Nifty, the bank Nifty also is fallen about 1%. Nifty has fallen 0.69 percentage right now, and Bank Nifty has fallen by about 1%. That is expected because of both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is the more volatile. When it goes down very fast, and then when it goes up very fast when compared to the Nifty. So Bank Nifty has fallen by about 0.9 percentage, and um, SGS Nifty, the futures is still showing 18,100, but Nifty is trading right now around 18,000. That is 124 points from down. Nasdaq, the tech companies, not many things are looking good because Nasdaq is showing it's fallen by about 2.49 percentage, 2.5 percentage to be on the bulb, giving the bulk of figure. It's around 2.5 percentage. Nasdaq has fallen. And that is showing in the IT company stocks, even the IT Bs, that is reflective of the IT industry as a whole, has fallen by a percentage today. So there is people are talking about pain in the IT companies because of all the cost cutting that is happening in the um, international markets, which will result in lower projects or scaling down on the projects for the IT companies, and that will reflect in the performance of the IT companies, and that will reflect in the performance of the IT company stocks. Crude oil is up by 1.5 percentage. It is topsy turvy. It is all over the place. It is going up, coming down, and crude oil is very volatile these days. So, lot of headwinds are there for Indian markets, even though we are one of the largest stable economies out there. But still, there are a lot of headwinds, what with COVID and still the Ukraine-Russian wars is going on, and inflation. Our inflation is more or less contained, but the international inflation is entrenched, and it is very even though Fed has been raising rates, but it doesn't seem to be coming down as much as they wanted. So some reports are saying that inflation is going to be entrenched and it will be there for at least a couple of quarters. So that means that there will not be quantitative easing anytime soon. That means that will put pressure on the stocks as well as the indexes all over the world and even in India. Even though many are saying that there was a decoupling happening between Indian stock markets and the international stock markets, but still um, it will have some kind of bearing on our markets. So as we stand, things are looking negative, at least in the short term. You are a long-term investor, as we keep saying. This is also a good time to entry. If your horizon is a 5 years and more, if it is particularly 10 years, then you can go ahead and buy good stocks, which you always had kept in your watch list. If not, wait for better times. Keep adding the stocks that is good stocks that has fallen in bad times. And um, good luck to you and wish you a profitable trading day. Thank you.